So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. And guys, if I tell you one thing, that there is one specific topic in ARD current affairs which you cannot miss, and the topic is equally relevant both for your phase 1 and phase 2, and within just this 10 to 15 MCQs, all the topic, all the important things that is relevant for the topic will be covered here. Okay, so guys, yes, the topic that I am talking about is a very important topic, that is the second advanced estimates on horticultural crops has been released by the government. And if I talk about the relevance of this topic, on this topic the question has been asked, a 2 mark question has been asked in the NABARD examination for previous year paper, in which they have asked, the question is that which among the following state has the highest vegetable production in India. The question has been asked in NABARD. So yes, you can expect a similar kind of question in the phase 1 examination or even in the phase 2 examination in this year examination also. So yes guys, welcome to the session in which within the 10 MCQs I will be discussing the each and every aspect that has been important for this report of or for this advanced estimates of horticulture crop. So guys, as I've discussed, the topic is equally relevant both for your phase 1 and phase 2 examinations of the ARD current affairs. Okay, so because in ARD current affairs there are some pick and choose topics which needs to be done, okay ji, and one of them is the most important topic are these advanced estimates. So now guys, the first question that I am asking you from this report is, who has released the report? Because whenever you are talked about any estimates or any ARD specific report, the most common thing that needs to be understood is which body is basically releasing that specific thing. So here the first question is, which organization has released these advanced estimates? Okay, so here you have seen the option. The answer here is option number A, that is Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Don't get confused with National Horticulture Board. It is not being released by Horticulture Board. It is basically being released by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare under Ministry of Agriculture. Now when I talk about this thing, the important thing is, it was seen in PIB, where when you just look at from the heading of the PIB, the most important thing that needs to be understood is horticulture production data. It is an estimation. The second estimation for the current year, that is 2021-22, and the estimation is around 341.63 million tons. Guys, when I talk about these advanced estimates about horticulture production, the most important thing that needs to be analyzed is, because these are quite data heavy topics. But yes, I have only had those important data that needs to be remembered by you. So one is the horticulture production target, that is estimated as 341.63 million ton, which has seen an increase of 7.03 million ton. So both these data are equally important for us for our examination of NABARD. Okay, now let's understand this thing. Okay, that is what is the area, because it is talking about the area also as well as production target. So let's ask the first question is what is the total area in terms of million hectare that is being used for cultivation of horticulture in India? Okay, now this is again a typical question. Okay, if you have gone through the advanced estimates, you can use this session as a revision, but if you have not gone through, ठीक है, at least have a guess. ठीक है, first of all try करो to solve the question. ठीक है, answer तो you will easily get to know. So here the answer is, that is option number C, that is 27.74 million hectare is the area that is being estimated for the total area that will be used for horticulture crops. But if I talk about the final estimate of previous year, it has said that 27.48 million hectare of area was basically being used for the horticultural crops. So 2020-21, it's not 21, it is 2020-21, it is around, that is it is 27.48 million hectare. Now coming to this question, I have discussed just a few seconds earlier with you, that is the total area kitna hai, production is, that is 341.63 million ton. Now here if I talk about the final estimate for previous year, okay, so it is around 334.60. हमने अभी पढ़ा था 7.03 million ton का increase हुआ है, तो just from the basic math calculation also you can get to this answer, that is 334.60 million ton was the final estimated for the year 2020-21. Guys, why I am emphasizing on both the data, the second advanced estimate as well as the final estimate, because the examiner can play with you only on these lines. He might ask you a question, what was the final estimate for the 2020-21 and you might be getting trapped here और आप ये आंसर लगा दोगे, ठीक है, which could be wrong for you. So remember the keywords that is being there, whether it is talking about 21-22 or 2020-21. So these are the 2 years that needs to be analyzed when you are going through this index or these estimations, ठीक है. So as I've discussed, it was 27.48 area in million hectare, that is a final estimate, 334.60 in terms of production, and the advanced estimate 27.74 and 341.63. So the next question in terms of increase that I have asked you is, we know that there has been an increase of 7.03 million ton, but they could ask you a question, what is the percentage increase that has been there, that has been witnessed or that is being estimated by this advanced estimate? That is around 2.1%. So it is being estimated that there will be an increase of 2.1% from the previous year. Now guys, we have discussed about horticultural thing. Now one question, okay, if you do not know, pause here a video. This question is important because which state, if I ask you a question, which state has the highest in terms of production, which state has the highest production of horticultural crops in India? If I ask you this question, okay, so important thing, you might get silly, you might get confused here because it's a question, because these are kind of questions we have seen in our previous year paper. Okay, so that's why I have gone through the report and I have come across these kind of important topics also. So in terms of overall production, if I talk about guys, Uttar Pradesh has been ranked at the top place. So according to this estimate, Uttar Pradesh has the highest horticultural production in India, which is being followed by Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. These are the top 3 states that you should remember. Okay, so now we have discussed the top in terms of total horticulture, what is the estimate that has been given by the report. Now let's discuss about the trends that have been seen in this report. So the question that I found on the trend is, which among these following horticultural crops have basically witnessed a decline in production from the previous year? So this is a common question and this is a very important question also. Why I am saying this is a common question? Because generally guys, there will be some kind of trend. कुछ प्रोडक्शन में इंक्रीज हुआ होगा, कहीं पे डिक्रीज हुआ होगा, ठीक है, बट जनरली वी डू नॉट गेट इनटू दैट मच इनटू डिटेल बिकॉज वी माइट फील कि द डाटा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बट दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर अगेन very very important for examination. And if I talk about here decline that has been seen, it is by the medicinal plants here. So when I talk about the overall increase, this advanced estimate says that these are the 3 horticultural crops, that is fruits, vegetable and honey. These are the only 3 horticultural crops that have witnessed an increase from the final estimates or from the year of 2020-21. And in terms of decrease, spices, flowers, aromatic and medicinal plants and plantation crops, all of them have seen a decline in the production. Okay, so now guys, let's discuss one by one the data that has been shown on the horticultural crops in the advanced estimate. The first one is the fruit production. The question I am asking you is, what is the estimated production for fruit and what was the production that was seen in that we have witnessed in the year 2020-21? So guys, if I talk about here, now see, if you just look at the options, we have seen one thing, that fruits, the production has increased. So see option number B, okay, option number C. These are the 2 options which could be eliminated, okay, because here the production is basically getting declined. So just from the elimination method you can see that these are the 2 options जो कि आंसर नहीं होंगी, because we have know that the production has seen an increase but not a decrease. Sorry, options B and D. Okay, चलिए. So now if I talk about the answer here guys, the answer here is that is option number A, that is 107.1 and 102.48 is the right answer here. So in terms of, if I talk about fruit production, it is estimated to be around 107.1 million ton, which has been increased from a million ton from a production of 102.48 million ton. ठीक है जी. टॉप 3 स्टेट्स की बात करूं तो यहाँ पे रिमेंबर आंध्र प्रदेश, in terms of production आंध्र प्रदेश is at top place, and in terms of area it is Maharashtra. These are the 2 things that you need to analyze. What is the examiner asking to you? It is asking the question on area or whether it is asking the question in terms of production. So in terms of production, Andhra Pradesh is at top, followed by Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Now guys, this is a snippet that I have taken from the report. Why I have taken this, why I am showing you this snippet is, remember one thing. Here the data is basically given in terms of per thousand. पर 1000 हेक्टेयर और पर 1000 मेट्रिक टन, ठीक है. बट वट here what we are reading is in terms of million ton. So remember this thing, because the examiner might play with you on these two specific keywords also, but they are asking per 1000 और per million. तो इस चीज पे भी आपको बहुत ज्यादा emphasis रखना है when you are going in the examination, ठीक है, because examiner might play with you here also, ठीक है जी. So remember this keyword. Now coming to the vegetable, the question I am asked you exact replica of a question that has been asked in the previous question, that is which state has the highest vegetable production in India. ठीक है जी. लास्ट ईयर बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज हुए थे. they were saying that this was the most toughest question because how, from where they have asked a question. The question was asked from advanced estimates, guys. So here also I have gone into the report, I have seen the thing that is the important things that is relevant for examination. So in terms of, if I talk about vegetable production, guys, it is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is being ranked 1. It has the highest percentage, it has the highest production in terms of vegetable production, which is followed by West Bengal and Maharashtra. तो देखो यहाँ पे भी production में it is UP and in terms of area it is West Bengal. So remember this thing, ठीक है. And if I talk about the estimation that has been given for the vegetables, it is around 204.61 million ton as compared to 200.45 million ton in 2020-21. There was some another important data that was released about vegetables in the PIB, that is in terms of onion, potato and tomato production. Onion production is estimated to be around 31.7 million ton. Potato production is expected to be around 53.58 or 53.5 million ton, and tomato production is about 20.3 million ton. So approximately भी याद रखना 31, 53 or 20. Exact figure can also be asked in the examination. Okay, so now we have discussed fruits and vegetables. Now coming to the third is the spices production. In terms of spices, so this is a common question because if you have not gone through the report, ठीक है जी, so just looking at this question, tell me the answer, ठीक है. Now guys, I want one thing here, ठीक है जी, you have to tell me in the comment box sincerely, because your examination is coming near. Sincerely you have to tell me how many of you have got this question wrong, ठीक है. There might be a possibility कि बहुत बच्चों का ये आंसर गलत होगा, but don't worry, this is a learning curve for you, ठीक है. If they ask this kind of question, you have seen the question in the examination, instead of making mistake there, यहीं पे गलती कर लो and try to analyze and work on it. So guys, here the state is Madhya Pradesh, it is not Kerala. So Madhya Pradesh has the highest production in terms of spices in India, which is followed by Rajasthan and Gujarat, ठीक है. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. If I talk about Kerala, I think Kerala is at 5th place, ठीक है. Kerala is not among the top 3. This is the important thing that needs to be analyzed, ठीक है जी, because many of you might make a mistake कि Kerala will be the answer. Spices Kerala. So no guys, it is not like that, ठीक है जी. So here if I talk about Madhya Pradesh has topped, followed by Rajasthan and Gujarat. Production is estimated to be around 10.9 million ton for the year 2021-22. Now guys, coming to the next question, the second last question I am asking you is on the plantation production. What is the estimate for plantation production for the year 2021-22, and it is estimated to be around 15.37 million ton, ठीक है. 15.37 million ton है, which has declined from 16.62 million ton, ठीक है, which was in the year 2020-21. In terms of production, here guys, Karnataka, in terms of plantation crop, Karnataka has the highest production, followed by Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And in terms of area, it is again Karnataka. So here the important thing in spices is in both in terms of area and production, Karnataka has ranked at the first place. If I talk about aromatic and medicinal plants, guys, here Rajasthan is at top, ठीक है. तो don't get confused with Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir नहीं है. Rajasthan is at top, ठीक है, followed by Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh in terms of aromatic plants. Now guys, coming to the last question of the day in terms of honey production. So we know honey production has witnessed an increase, but here again a question can be asked, which state has the highest production of honey in India? So here guys, the answer is, that is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. It is followed by Gujarat, and at third place it is Punjab in terms of honey production, ठीक है. So if I talk about the data here in terms of honey production, ठीक है जी, it is being estimated to around 0.133 million ton, as compared to 0.125 million ton. Important is in terms of production, Uttar Pradesh is at top, followed by West Bengal and Punjab. So it is not second, is not Gujarat. ठीक है, I am sorry, it's not Gujarat, it is West Bengal. ठीक है, तो याद रखना उत्तर प्रदेश, West Bengal and Punjab in terms of honey production. ठीक है, and in terms of flower guys, ठीक है, so here two data are basically being given on flower, that is flower cut and flower loose. For flower cut it is estimated to be around 0.638 million ton, ठीक है जी, and for flower loose it is estimated to be around 2.298 million tons. So guys, this was all about your horticultural advanced estimates that has been released by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Okay, so we have tried to cover each and every aspect from that, the question that could be asked in your examination, okay, from these advanced estimates. Okay, so now guys, if you have liked the video, you can subscribe to our Telegram channel. You can also share the video with your friends. Okay, and if you want to get the PDF of this lecture, what you have to do is subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link for the PDF or the other free materials that we are providing to you you will be getting the PDF there. So guys, a very important announcement for all of you. We are running a Maha sale, okay ji, that is on our courses of RBI, NABARD and SEBI. What you have to do is you have to use this code EduTap. Validity is till 19th of July, that is till today, end of the day. And what you have done is what you will get is you will get a flat 40% off plus an additional 10% off on the desired courses. So guys, I hope you have liked the session. Okay ji. Still, if you have any kind of doubt guys, you can drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. You can even contact us on this number, that is 8146207241. So I hope guys you are preparing really hard for your examination, because now the examination date is also out. Okay, fill your forms quickly. Revise and retain. Revise the topics again and again and analyze the topics. Okay ji. So wishing you all the best for your examination. Bye bye.